Hi, guys, and thank you for tuning in. This is Nikki B with Vizulus, and I wanted to go in depth with talking about how to send out emails and automations on our platform. Everything is built in. So I want to let you know, go ahead and get logged into your back office and then do this video at the same time so we can just take the steps together. All right. So let's say you have a form or a subscription area. All of the information that comes from your form on your website is going to go straight over here to contacts right up here. All right. We did get permission from Sci Financial, one of our newer clients, to use them as an example. So thank you guys at Sci Financial. So anyway, the information that comes from your form will go into your contact list, and then you can manage that side of it. All right, right over here under contacts. So then once you're ready to send emails, then you can send it. Now, it does have an option in contacts as well as your email automations to add subscribers. So if you already have a list of people that's maybe on a Excel sheet and you want to import that over, then you just hit add subscribers and then you can add them right there. Just make sure that you have permission. You do not want to get reported, and you don't want it to be going to spam, because you can get in trouble. With the new Can Spam Act, our platform is built up to where you can connect your domain, which you can see with this red box, but you also need to have a verified email address. So something like info@vizulus.com, something like that. If you need help with connecting your domain or setting up your custom email in order for you to meet those government rules and to have more effective email campaigns, please reach out to us at the email address and we will help you out and let you know how much that'll cost just to take care of that. We can normally, especially if we already have your domain on our side, we can normally take care of that within 1 hour. All right. All right. So let's move forward. We're on the dashboard. I want to just kind of show you guys what you would need to do. So hit connect domain first, and you will have to update your brand details. I'm not going to click, matter of fact, let me show you guys what this looks like. Um, this will be where you go for your brand details. Now, in order for you to comply with that Can Spam Act and to help your emails stay out of the spam folders, you want to put your company address, you want to put your accurate business name, your sender name, your default email. Now, remember, when I said earlier, this default email must be a verified email address, like info@scifinancial.com. All right. It needs to be something like that. If y'all need help setting that up with either Google or GoDaddy or whoever you already own your domain with, then we can help you out with that. All right. All right. So let's move forward. Let's go back to domains. And when you hit add domains, then you put your domain here. All right. Let's get back over here into Sci Financial. So hit add domain and hit Sci Financial Consulting.com or put in your email address and hit submit. All right. So this will pop up and it'll say pending. Give it some time and it will go ahead and go green and it'll say that it's been confirmed. Okay. So give it some time. We'll be right back and it should be green. All right, guys. So within 10 to 15 minutes, it should both be verified on authorization as well as verifying the domain. All right. So let's move forward. So go right back to your left hand side, head over to dashboard, and let's start a campaign. All right. So first you will want to put in your campaign name. For this example, I'll use testing. Testing. All right. And then hit next. All right. So you'll see two different campaign types. It's the regular campaign, which is what we're going to do for this example. And then you'll see an A/B split campaign. This is used when you have an example on what you want, or rather, this is used when you want to see which email will work best for your subscribers. Say, for instance, if you have a different email subject, let's say 50% off all things in your store, right, until December 31st, opposed to your email content may say something different. And you want to see which one will work best, which one will have the best open rate, which one will have the best click rate. So based on after an hour, if you have more emails that are sent with that actually has open rates that's higher, with that certain email subject, then all of the system will send all of the rest of the emails to with that same email subject. All right. So it's like you're running an internal test to see which one will work the best. All right. For this example, if you don't want to go through all that and you want it to just all of your subscribers to get the same campaign that you create, hit regular campaign. All right. And then go ahead and go to next. Now our team has created all of these different templates that looks great on phones, tablets, and computers, already for you. And if you want to customize it a little bit more, we have e-commerce templates, we have announcements, notifications, newsletters. So it's all here and it's all set up for you guys. So for the sake of this example, let's choose a Black Friday deal. Okay. So it takes you to the template and it's already set up. All right. So let's say you don't like this and we want to choose a different template. Go to more, and then it's going to ask you, do you want to discard it? Yes. And it takes you right back here. All right. So let's choose this one. All right. And then so it's already set up. All you would need to do is come in here, change your picture. So if you want to change this picture, just go click on it, make sure it's highlighted, go to the left hand side, click on the image, it's going to pop up. Let's choose this one. All right. And then there you go. It's already ready. Well, you know what? Let's choose a different picture. Let's choose this one. All right, perfect. And then you double click in here, you'll be able to change your words. Save 20%. All right. All right. If you don't like that and you wanted to undo it, you can hit the undo button. I mean, all of this is ready to go. And we have different blocks that's set up as well. So let's say you want to use this one in here as well. Just click it and drag it over to where you want it to go. All right. You click into this, change your image, right? And then, all right, and then it's ready to go. Double click into whatever you need it to change to. You can change your font, change the size, change the way it's lined up, and then you're ready to go. So let's say you love this and you're ready for it to be sent out to your clients. You've already uploaded and connected your domain, and you've created that custom email address, then you're ready to go. So let's go ahead and hit next, and then you choose your default list, and that's what we explained earlier. That's all of the subscribers that you have, and then you hit next. Then this is where you need to make sure that you have already connected your custom email address, and all of that is set up. If you need support with getting that set up, please let us know. We can get you ready and give you a fair price to go on and do this for you. And then yeah, select your subject. For this, I'm going to choose testing email. Okay, you can add property. Now this is cool because then you get to choose, like if you want to say, hi, Nicole, thank you for subscribing. Then you can choose the first name and it'll put this in here. So you just say, hi, Nicole, or hi, Nikki B, and it'll automatically populate based on what you put in there under your contacts. Okay, so it's a really, really powerful system if you just take the time to go through it and put everything in. All right, and then at this point, I'm gonna have to stop, but you go ahead and I always send a test email. Send it to yourself so that you can know what it looks like on a phone, on a tablet if you have one, and check your computer on different browsers so it looks good and you like how it looks. And then after that, if you don't like how it looks, go back to edit email and it's going to take you right back. All right. Um, if you do like the test email and you're ready for it to go, then hit next and then it will send it to all of your clients or the subscribers that is on that particular list. All right. So at this point, you guys, please reach out to us via email. If you have any questions, the email is info at vizulus.com. And we can support you guys as you get this started. This is a powerful tool. And any of this, even if you have to get yourself a custom email address, it's only going to make your brand look stronger and more professional. So rather than having a Vizulus at gmail.com. You are your own brand. You need to upgrade that. And in order for you to use this built in tool, then you have to have that anyway. Please reach out to us if you guys have any questions. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.